How do engineers connect two continents? The answer begins with understanding the sea itself. The visible bridge will stand, because invisible foundations transfer enormous loads into stable rock far beneath the ocean floor. Every pier is engineered to resist waves, ship impacts, earthquakes, wind, and decades of relentless marine exposure. Each segment must align with extraordinary precision. Even a few millimeters could affect the entire structure. The main span transforms thousands of individual components into one continuous structural system. Before opening to the public, every structural behavior is measured, verified, and validated to ensure decades of safe operation. More than a bridge, this is a testament to engineering, architecture, and human determination, transforming impossible geography into lasting connection.